Let's dive into a huge challenge in healthcare and a surprisingly simple fix that helps everyone.
So get this, almost half of all hospital beds are taken by seniors, but hospitals often lack a special plan.
This creates what's called a revolving door, a frustrating cycle for patients, families, and hospitals.
It's usually small, preventable things that cause these stressful and frequent readmissions.
For hospitals, this is a huge financial problem, leading to blocked beds and denied insurance claims.
So how do we break the cycle? Well, what if better care was actually more profitable?
The answer is the Comprehensive Geriatric Assessment, or CGA. Think of it as a total health roadmap for seniors.
And this is the magic part. It's a total win-win. Patients get a much higher quality of life, and hospitals get a healthier bottom line with fewer readmissions and a smoother workflow.
Here's how it works. Let's say the CGA spots a risk, like frailty or muscle weakness. That immediately triggers in-house physical therapy. The patient gets stronger, and the hospital gets paid.
So you're shifting from just treating sickness to actually preventing problems before they even start.
Looking ahead, this opens the door for awesome things like hospital-at-home models. Plus, it works perfectly with new insurance plans that reward hospitals for keeping patients healthy.
It's a simple, brilliant idea. Better care for patients creates a healthier, more efficient hospital system.
Just a quick heads up, this is for informational purposes. Please always consult your geriatrician for advice.
It leaves you with a hopeful thought. Is our healthcare system finally learning how to care for us as we get older?